Hello everybody, in this video I'll be testing and unboxing this Dune 4WD single mattress. It comes with this carry bag. I'm just going to remove the carry bag. It's got these two straps that secures the sleeping mattress so that it doesn't come out. So remove these two straps. So this mattress is known for having a foam inside and it's self-inflating as well. It's very comfortable to use apparently, so I'm just going to test it out. Just going to roll it all out. I do have a similar mattress, but apparently this one is a lot thicker. Okay, so it's got these two tabs here to self-inflate. Looks like, no, it's not a pull one, it's a twist one. So you gotta twist it to open up the tab, and you can hear it already inflate. So there's two of them, make sure you do both of them. And now you just let it inflate. It takes about apparently 5 to 10 minutes. So you can hear it here. So that's one of the tabs, that's the other one. Just make sure that there's air coming into it. When it's fully inflated, it should be about 1 centimeter thick, so there's the foam and some air in it. So now I'm just gonna close it, so just screw it back in and close it. Make sure it's tight. Yep, and just do the other side. And that's about it. So I'll test it when I actually go to camp and see how it is. But here it is, it's this thick. It's just foam and some air.